Wowie, wow, wow, wow. So I'm about to reveal what's inside this bag. Spoiler alert in the title. I am super excited to get my hands on the Osmo Pocket by DJI. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. I am excited to use this. We're physically unboxing it right now. I got my scissors and everything. Got it. Oh, this is exciting. So first of all, this case that it's in is sturdy. Okay. This is tiny. I mean, it's literally the size of my hand. I can't wait to get it out of the box and take a closer look. Looks like in order to do that, I have to kind of rip this open. So let's go ahead and la 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 la. Smooth. This is smooth. Okay, ready? This thing is tiny. So tiny. Look how tiny this is. Oh man, this is cool. Okay. This is tiny and I'm super excited to take it out for a spin today. So this is what comes in the box. We have a, looks like a case. This is a case for the Osmo. Let's just put this here so it doesn't fall on the floor. Okay. A case for the Osmo and looks like some cables and some instructions inside. We have a strap. Awesome. It looks like a connector cable and something else. Oh, it's a connector with different adapters, so you can use it with different devices is what that looks like. Let's put that back here. Strap. Let's put that back here. The quick start guide. Gotta read this real quick. Actually, I have two. Oh, one is the disclaimer and safety guidelines, and the other is the quick start. So this is the case. This is really, really cool. It looks like it goes in sideways. Let's get our hands on this tiny little amazing camera. Oh, wow. Wowie, wow, wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up so that we can test it out, but this is awesome, I gotta tell you. I am so excited to check this out. Okay, I put this in wrong already. Fail. Okay. Just kidding. I put it in right. Okay, so that is in the case, and now we're going to take it out for a spin. Spin, spin, spin. Okay, so first thing is I download the DJI Mimo app. This is going to allow me to connect the... Okay, so I'm installing the app, so I'm just gonna take this screen protector off. Boom. A couple of different options here, so I'm gonna go ahead and select English. And now I'm getting device not activated. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything activated here. Okay, now I have the app. This app is awesome. Okay, so let's just dig right in. I'm just gonna give it access, allow access, and I'm just gonna follow these quick instructions here on the screen. And now we have two different setups. Looks like we have a Bluetooth setup. I actually don't have that part, so we're not gonna do that one. And a smartphone adapter setup. We're gonna go ahead and move forward with that. Now I'm going to connect the Osmo Pocket to my iPhone so that I can activate it. I have to log in first, so I need to register for an account on DJI. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Boom, register. Now I need to log in to my newly registered account. Confirm my activation. It is activating. This is awesome. Tells me a little bit about my protection. Okay. Fantastic. Now I'm just going to run through this quick setup and make sure I have everything set up properly so that we can move forward with the rest of the setup. 2 mics. Nice. Okay. And now we're all done. I'm going to do the firmware update. So let's go ahead and download that. So we are just finalizing the install here. I installed the micro SD card, which was, I gotta say, a little tricky. There was a lot of like back and forth. I wasn't sure if I had it in the correct way. So just be forewarned, that took a little bit of finessing. We connected the iPhone adapter and I have the phone connected to the iPhone. And what I'm doing now is I am just installing the latest firmware, and I'm excited to get this bad boy out on the town so I can fully check it out. We are at about 68% right now, and we are, oh, it's happening fast now. We're at 75%. So once this is done, we are going to take it out for a spin. 85%, 97%, 100%. Okay, update success. Perfect. So I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. Boom. I need to remove the protective film. Ah, check that out. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I am looking forward to taking this out on the town and really getting a good sense of what this bad boy is capable of and reporting back to you guys, so stay tuned. This is my first initial test of the DJI Pocket Osmo. So far, this thing is pretty freaking awesome. I gotta tell you, I am so excited to dig in. I'm kind of just moving my hand around. This is my set, my lights, and me. Okay. No, don't make it easy. I'm good. I hope I don't stab myself. Hope it's okay.